Hello, this is Dan over at Climate Max here in Middle Tennessee, and we specialize in climate resilient building materials. And so today, what we want to do is we want to talk about a concept that's not really new, but it's new to the home building industry, and it's metal steel framing. And this is a new way to go. There's a lot of advantages to it, and we want to give you a brief introduction into that this morning. Of course, the subject is going to be based around the steel versus wood framing for homes, and we're going to give you a little spin around the block to compare the two so you can make up your mind what you think might be better for the future. First, here's an example of a steel framed home without any of the exterior covering on it. And next, we're going to take a look at a wood frame or stick frame home without the exterior coverings on it. Of course, with the steel framed home, there's less than 1% waste. That's at manufacturing. And here you're looking at a 2,000 square foot home that at the end of it had 5,059 pounds of waste. And most of that went to the landfill. Now, they say that the ideal moisture content for building lumber is between 12 and 19%, depending on the part of the country you're in. But of course, the wood is still alive and it's absorbing water. So when it lays around on a construction site after rain, it's going to keep absorbing water in there. Now you have a home still being built where the moisture content goes up and up and up, and then you wind up with cracks in the walls and warped wood. As any contractor will tell you, there are no straight wooden studs in a home. Here's another fact that you might like to hear about. And the fact is, if you ever remodeled an old home and you said, man, this wood is hard to cut. Well, here's an example from 2018 versus a piece cut in 1918. And you can see the older wood is old growth, and the rings are much tighter together, it's stronger, and it's insect resistant, and it's strong. The stuff today that they're growing is specifically for building lumber, and it just doesn't have those same qualities. So why do we keep building homes made out of wood? Of course, it's a tradition almost. Started back when there wasn't any steel mills out here in the woods. You cut down what you had on your land and you started building the wood home. And it's just continued over the years, and you still have the same result. You have a kind of an inferior product. It molds, it rots, it decays, and it burns. And so in today's world with climate change and with building techniques and more rain and everything else, it's time to move on to steel and other products that are going to protect your home and have it last a lifetime. Now here is the steel frame home that was built by Fast Frame, which is a division of J.D. Metals in a great little town in Tennessee called Limestone. And this house is going to last for a lifetime. These homes are precision made in the factory and fitted there to make sure that it will be exact when it gets to the building site. After the manufacturing process, your home is bundled in order, and each panel comes off as it is to be placed onto the building site. When it's time to ship your home to your building site, it's all loaded onto a tractor and trailer, and it is delivered right to the job site, and the forklift unloads it there and sits there for the workman to assemble. Here's some other advantages of the galvanized cold formed steel. It's strong, it's straight, it's accurate, and it's sustainable. And of course, the most important part too is fire safety, and you always have to think about the fire advantage over a stick frame home. Now, Fast Frame makes all the same components for your home as you would have in a stick frame home. They make the trusses, the beams, the interior and exterior walls, porches. The only difference is it's made out of steel and it's going to last a long time. So if you'd like additional information, just give us a call over here at Climate Max, 615-397-0406. We'll be glad to talk to you, and if you have plans already made and you're interested, we certainly will have a takeoff made and get an estimate on your project. Talk to you soon. Thank you.